At Learning Transfer Solutions Global, we believe we can improve training results by means of a systematic approach. The model we propose consists of a series of innovative measures to accompany traditional training design and delivery. This timeline shows what actions you need to take before and after training to make it more impactful. Before you even think about training design, TransferLogix helps you automatically identify high-impact behaviors to be addressed in training. After establishing which of these behaviors you want to focus on in training, you should measure the frequency with which each trainee currently demonstrates these behaviors in the workplace. You can do so by sending out an automatic pre-performance test, and then you have a reference against which you can compare future progress. Just before the training event, we encourage you to formalize a transfer contract. A transfer contract is an agreement between the supervisor and the trainee upon 7 aspects which enable the trainee to apply learning effectively. The supervisor's involvement at this stage has a huge influence on the outcome of training, and this is why we made it easy for them to get involved. So basically, these are the actions you should carry out before the training event. Immediately after, there is a number of aspects you should consider too. First off, you need to get the trainee's opinion about their possibility to use learning in the workplace. By sending out the only validated questionnaire in the world which measures barriers and catalysts to learning transfer, the LTSI, you will get a clear picture of the obstacles they might face when incorporating changes in their workplace. This way, you can take the measures necessary to help trainees transfer learning. TransferLogix offers you access to a database of best practices where you can select the actions you think are relevant in your company. Moreover, you can get trainees to vote which of these actions they find most relevant. This way, you get valuable insight and also help them commit to working together with the training department to apply learning. After a few months, you can measure whether these actions were successful by administering a shorter version of the LTSI to see if the barriers to transfer still exist. In parallel, have trainees follow up on the training objectives or let them set their own goals to achieve. The transfer meter lets them rate the level of attainment of each goal periodically. So after we made sure trainees get all the conditions they need to apply learning, it's time to evaluate if they really do. TransferLogix sends out the post-performance survey to assess whether trainees are demonstrating the behaviors addressed in training in the workplace. The results are then compared with the pre-performance test, and this is how we measure learning transfer. Finally, TransferLogix lets you run an ROI metrics to approximate the return on investment. The method we use is quite simple and highly reliable. And that's it. All these actions allow you to measure and enhance training results. And the best part is, this process is entirely automated. Are you ready to take training to the next level? This is the timeline we recommend for running each module, but you can set the dates and configure the analysis as you wish.